Autism has a very personal connection to me. My son was diagnosed with autism when he was 2.5. We were working on an occupational therapy exercise. And typically what we do is we mash Play-Doh because it really helps with the hands and getting basically the muscles moving. And we said, why don't we work on date paste that's very similar to Play-Doh, and maybe he'll make something interesting out of it that he will like to eat, because he was not eating a lot of different things at that time. So we just started working with dates, coconut, dried fruits, chocolate chips, and then cutting it into cookies and rolling it up. And he enjoyed eating it. And that was, as a parent who's really struggling to get his kid something healthy, this was like completely solved the problem for us. And so that was why we started making the bars. It really wasn't an exercise to make bars, it was more of an exercise for an occupational therapy. The young adults have a lot of abilities to serve the community, to serve, for themselves. And I realized that there was this huge gap, and I had built this factory that needed people to work in it. And I said, I'm going to go out and connect with the nonprofits and the organizations that are serving these young adults and make them part of my workforce.
There were people earlier in my life that underestimated what I could do.
Jack on my team was one of those kids who came in, this was 6 years ago. He loved it and he completely shined.
I enjoy working here a lot. It suits my particular set of skills. I can do a lot of things a lot of other people can't.
And it reminded me a lot of my son. He's been working here since then. Now he manages the warehouse.
If you have a great cast of people around you that are supporting you and help you be what you want to be, you can do anything.
So that theme around inclusivity sort of goes through and through, from naming of it to how we make it to who we serve.
And the fact that I've proven to be one of the most critical parts of that job, I don't feel like I should ever be underestimated again.